Load your family into the 2020 Kia Sorento. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.3-liter six-cylinder engine. Kia prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by heated door mirrors, a power rear cargo door, blind spot sensor, and a split-folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Kia also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.